In today's video, we'll show you how to deactivate the start-stop system on a 2014 Ford C-Max using the FCAR F9S diagnostic scanner. The start-stop system is designed to reduce fuel consumption and emissions by automatically shutting off the engine when the vehicle comes to a stop. The FCAR F9S automatically reads the VIN, identifies the vehicle, and loads all the necessary information before proceeding with the diagnostic functions. After automatically identifying the vehicle, the FCAR F9S scans the vehicle's system topology. The screen displays a complete map of all control modules installed in the vehicle, along with their current communication status. This allows us to quickly locate the required module and access the appropriate service function. After selecting the appropriate control module, we navigate to the Special Functions menu and choose the option related to the start-stop system configuration. Next, we begin the deactivation procedure. During the process, simply follow the on-screen instructions and avoid interrupting the programming sequence. Once the procedure is complete, the diagnostic tool confirms that the new configuration has been successfully written to the vehicle's control module. If you're interested in professional diagnostics, coding, and advanced service functions available with FCAR diagnostic tools, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos.